Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you in this video to show you how Power Lead System can help you train. I just want to show you all the training and resources that Power Lead System has that can help you become a success online and to grow your business into something that will help change your life and change the lives of other people. So I'm going to go right into it. I want to show you. I'm going to put myself in the corner here, and then go to the main page. This is the back office of Power Lead System, and I'm just going to go into the training section right here. So this is the training area right here in Power Lead System. This one right here is exclusive to gold members only. So once you become a gold member in Power Lead System, you will get access to this, I believe it's a $200 course that you have access to this course, plus you get access to every update that they make every year. They always bring out a new course because things change in social media, and this shows you how to get free leads through social media. You should definitely check it out. And then right here is the training area in Power Lead System. So right here you got the schedule of all the hangouts and weekly trainings that we have here in Power Lead System. These two people right here are six-figure earners in Power Lead System, and they show you how they market Power Lead System, how to get leads and sales. You should definitely check those two out. And these right here, Wednesday and Thursday nights at 10 p.m. each night, are the official Power Lead System trainings. And they show people who are new to the business of Power Lead System and online. They show you what Power Lead System's all about and then that's on the Wednesday nights. And on Thursday nights they have advanced marketing training. So they train you on different ways of getting more leads and sales into your business and how to grow your team. So there's a lot of information in these hangouts. That's one way. And then if you want to watch the replays of all the Wednesday and Thursday hangouts, you can just click this button right here. It'll take you to their YouTube channel. Here's some marketing advice that you can use here. These show you how to do solo ads. Solo ad is an ad that you pay someone to promote your business. That's one way of getting out to people. Then you got the system videos right here. This goes all the way through on how to do different things inside Power Lead System. So if you want to learn how to create a sales page or make your sales page or your sales funnel shareable, just like my sponsor did right here. He created this right here and he's sharing it with his team. And when you become a part of my team, you'll get an exact copy of the sales funnel to present the opportunity for you, and you'll get an exact copy minus the things that I added to it, like this right here. And so then you got one on YouTube, and then different other topics, different things that you can do. And then more training right here. So there's just so much information here. So that's that part of it. Let's see. Let's go back to the training section. And then this one right here is really good as well. I really like this one a lot. So let's see here. So this one, it gives you different tips and tricks right here. Talks all about share codes, and there are people here that have shared codes right here. Like this one right here. You can take this one right here and you can change the text up here if you want, and you can even add your own video and everything. That is a very good sales page. But they give you all these landing pages that you can use as well. This one has a video in it, so you can actually, this one right here has a video in it, so you can actually change it out. You can change the text, you can change the background. It's an amazing thing, and these share codes do a lot of the harder work for you, because the whole framework of the landing page is already done for you. All you have to do is you can change out the video, the text, you can change it to whatever you want, and you can also change out the background. So that's the share codes. And then you got right here, training A through G. You got affiliate marketing, Amazon marketing, Bing ads made easy, Bing ads, more Bing ads, email marketing, Facebook marketing, more Facebook, how to make your sales funnel to appeal to other people and to convert. You have Google Hangout training. You got all this stuff here. YouTube training. This is so much stuff here, guys. That this is why I promote this business more than anything else, because it's a solid business and they give you the tools and support that you need to succeed online. Only thing that you have to do is to take action, to educate yourself and to take action. So that's the training, guys, in Power Lead System. Inside our sales funnel right here, you can access it right here underneath the video presentation. Just click right here. Just wait 1 second, guys.
Hey everybody, look, I just wanted to let you...
This is actually my sponsor in Power Lead System. He's the one that created the sales funnel for us to have. And what he did was he put a training page right inside Power Lead System. This teaches you how to use Power Lead System, how to make landing pages and stuff like that. It also goes into tips on how to get more leads and sales to build your team and your business. There's so much information here. Look at all these videos, guys. It's so amazing, guys. And we provide so much training for you guys and so much support that if you do join, you're not going to be left in hanging. You have access to us. You have access to me. If I'm not available, we have our team Facebook group, which I'm going to show you in a second. But all the stuff that you just saw in Power Lead System, this advice and training is so worth it. It is so... There's so much money that you can be made by following this training and taking the action necessary that you need to take. And that's the thing. You have to take action. This is not a get-rich-quick opportunity. Those truly do not exist. And you do have to put in the work. You have to build your business because it is your business, and you'll decide if it succeeds or fails. But we give you guys support, motivation, and training as well. So one last thing, to go into the Facebook groups right here. Let me go back. Where is it? Right here. So right here where it says connect with us, this will take you directly to Action Taker Success Group. It's definitely a group you want to join. You just connect with us right here. And I actually just posted a video I created on my YouTube channel, and I have to make a correction real quick. I noticed that earlier. I just wanted to fix that. I don't like making typos like that. So anyways, I put this here to help people, whether they're part of my team or they're part of my sponsor's team. We're all here to help each other. So I created this one right here. It says, creating my YouTube channel was the best decision I ever made for my business. I got out of my comfort zone, and now I am completely comfortable making videos. I show you what I use to make the videos too. The more you do something, the easier it gets. And in this video, I show you how to get over your fear of making videos. Video marketing is so powerful because you're actually seeing me. You see that I'm a real person, that I care about the people in my team, and I want them to succeed. Not just for myself, but to help them as well. Yes, I make money every time someone under me buys one of the products. That's true. But I also want you guys to get the same experience. So I'm not just doing this for me, I'm doing this for my downline. And to tell you the truth, this may sound funny, but I love seeing the people under me succeed. You know why? I love it more than making money, because I love helping people. That's why I created this YouTube channel, to inspire others and to show them how to make money using the internet. So that's why I love watching my team grow and succeed. So to get back to this group, so this is another Solomon. He's part of Power Lead System 2, and he's showing us how he created his own sales page. This is a sales page to another business that he promotes, and I'm actually going to like his video because I want other people to see what Power Lead System can do. It can brand you into any business. Right now, Power Lead System is the thing I am promoting alone right now, because right now it's the only thing that I know is solid, that I can build my team upon. But anyways, and then Sean created another video right here. He's constantly posting his videos in here. So guys, you get so much training in here and motivation. And I'm going to show you real quick. Sean posted something a couple days ago, I think, in here. Sorry guys if this is making you sick. I'm almost there. Is it the 25th? There you go, right here. This was something he posted on the 25th. He woke up in the morning and he got 2 new gold members, which are $20 a month residual. And he got 2 there. He got another one here, and then he got a $100 and a $400 commission. Guys, there's serious money that can be made in this opportunity. If you follow all the training that Power Lead System provides and we provide, then you can get there. I'm not going to say it's going to happen overnight. Like I've said in the past, this is not a get-rich-quick opportunity. It's a opportunity. If you educate yourself and take action, you'll start making money. And life-changing for some people could be an extra $2,000 a month in their bank accounts, or even $900 extra a month. Others, it's making 6 figures. It's quitting their day job and doing this full time. It is very possible. My sponsor here, he's been doing it since May 7th of 2015. He's now a full-time dad to his son, and he's starting to do it as well. So I'm going to show you this one right here, and then there's one more other group that you want to go to, and this is the official Power Lead System team group. We do the same thing in here. We inspire people. We inspire people, and we also help them. Because all you got to do in any of these groups is write something right here. I have a problem doing this. Can someone point me in the right direction on how to do this? and that's all you got to do, and you'll get your answer pretty quick. And as you can see right here, there's 41,000, over 41,000 members here in our Action Takers Success Group. Let's see. We have over 2,700 members. So between both groups, all the training that they have inside Power Lead System and the training that we have inside the sales funnel, where I showed you right here, is all you need to make it online. So get back to get back to my sales funnel here. Here we go. So once you guys, if you guys do decide to join, my link is in the description. You'll come to my landing page. I have a quick introduction on my landing page of myself, and I just tell you why I love this business and why I feel comfortable sending people on my team to the business, because your name and your reputation is everything. If you lose that, it could seriously damage your business. This is a solid business, from its CEO all the way to the creator of Power Lead System. The company is so solid, and the compensation plan is amazing, and it's just one I know will still be here. It's one business I know I can see myself still promoting in the years to come. So guys, that is Power Lead System. That's all the training that they provide. And so when you click the link in my description, you'll come to my landing page, and then you'll come to here. Make sure you bookmark this page. That way, if you need to get back to it, you can just go into your bookmarks and go back. Then after that, after you watch the video presentation, you get your sales funnel right here all set up. Then send me a friend request on Facebook. This will take you directly to my my sales funnel, my Facebook page. Send me a friend request, and then send me a message. I want to connect with you guys because I want to point you guys in the right direction, and I want to welcome you into our Facebook group so everyone else will know that you have joined. And also, just after you send my message, when you send your message, hello, how you doing? I just came through your funnel. I've joined. I'm ready to join. Whatever it is you want to write, just connect with me, because I want to bring you guys in the right direction. And also, well, you're already on my YouTube channel. This is a link to my YouTube channel. So underneath the video, you'll see the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, and then also next to the subscribe button, when you click on it, you'll see a notification bell. You want to click on that as well. That way you will see when I post new content onto my channel. So guys, I just showed you the training in Power Lead System, and also the training inside our sales funnel. So if you truly want to succeed online, you have to, 1, educate yourself, gain the skills that you need to, and then 2, you have to apply action every day. On my YouTube channel, I'm making videos frequently. I'm challenging myself to make at least 1 video every day. On some days, I've actually made 3 videos. I love making videos. I love inspiring people. That's why I created this channel, to promote ways of making money online. and to inspire others. There's a lot of stuff I talk about in these videos that's actually universal, that anyone can take inspiration from. So that's it, guys. The video is going on 20 minutes, so I am going to stop now. I'll see you guys all in the next video.